Let's look at another example of solving equations with fractional exponents. So we have 4x to the 3 halves equals 108. We're going to do the same steps that we did before, so we're going to move all the non-rational exponential expressions. So any expression that doesn't have a fractional exponent is another way to put it. We're going to move it to one side of the equation. As I've said before, we're typically going to move those non rational exponential expressions to the right and keep the rational exponential expressions on the left, meaning those expressions with fractional exponents. So let's be clear about that. So we're gonna so what I mean is, in this example we have x to the 3 halves. That's our expression with the rational exponent. 4 does not have that, right? 4 doesn't have a fractional exponent. So we're gonna move it to the right, and in fact I'll even be clear here. I'm gonna draw an arrow, meaning we're moving 4 to the right. The way we're gonna do that, so we're going to divide both sides by 4. The 4's will cancel here, and we have x to the 3 halves equals 27. Example 2, move the rational exponential expression, or the expression with the fractional exponent, basically means the same thing, to the other side. Well, that's already been done. We have that on the left and the other expression on the right, 27. So step 3, we're going to raise both sides to the reciprocal power of the rational exponential, meaning the expression with the fractional exponent. Boy, in math sometimes we have all these terms, and I know it can be really confusing. So anyway, the expression with the exponent that's a fraction. Maybe that's the clearest way. So what is that exponent? It's 3 halves. So the reciprocal of that would be 2/3, but we're going to we need to raise both sides to the 2/3. That will cancel because 3 halves times 2/3 is 1. What is 27 to the 2/3? Well, we need to convert it to a radical expression. So it's going to be the cube root of 27 squared. That leads us to step 4, which is to solve for the unknown. Cube root of 27 is 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Then we're going to square it, which equals 9. Now, is x equals 9? We have to check to see if that's an extraneous solution. So we're going to plug it back in for x. Evaluate 4 times the square root of 9 cubed. So square root of 9 is 3. We're going to cube that first before we multiply by 4. 4 times 27 is indeed 108. So it's not an extraneous solution, so it is a legitimate answer to our original problem. So therefore x is equal to 9. That's it for this example. If you have any questions about it, let me know.